Hi everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. Before I get into this week's new releases, I just wanted to say thank y'all for all the love on the sale last week, and I'm also glad that y'all loved the bundle. I am so excited to use it in a couple of weeks. I just think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous collection, and it's just gonna look so beautiful laid out. I know it. So thank y'all so much for the support, and those orders will start shipping this week, and I think we'll be finishing them up next week as well. But let's go into what's going to be released this Wednesday at noon Eastern. So first things first, we will go into the foil bundle, and this one is so fun. This is a really pretty gold sequin. It's just so fun and pretty, and this is in the celestial format. The foil bundles are on a special pricing for the first Wednesday through Monday, and then also the matte sampler that I just showed you is only available Wednesday through Monday as well. But this is so pretty and fun. I am obsessed, and I cannot wait to use this in a spread. So that is the foil bundle and the add-on matte label sampler. Then we'll go into the doodles for this week. This is the 10 new doodles. This is 571 through 580. So these are the glass slipper, but just could be a really cute heel. And then there's blowing bubbles. There's chalk in a shape of the rainbow. There is water balloons, trains, which was a request. Angel wings, also another request. The little halo is different colors. And then there's ice cream, a shopping bag, a flower bouquet, and then also a new phone with a bow. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. And then there's also the color of the week. We had a similar color to this. I don't know, let me see. But since we were adding the 10th sheet, and I think that this color is super usable. This is like the similar color. So this is a little bit more, like a little lighter and a little more blue toned of a gray. Since I was doing the 10th sheet, and I think that this one is like the most usable with so many kits, I decided to kind of like bring this back, even though it's a slightly different color. So this is sheets 1 through 10. So 10 is the new one. There will be a buy all bundle option, as I've done for the past couple of weeks. Y'all seem to enjoy that. So this is page 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this is the new page 10. Give y'all a close up. Super cute. And this is gray and gray because it's gray, but normally it would be the like opposite color. So that is the color of the week. Then there are 3 collections this week, 3 new ones that I'm so excited about. So this one here is called I'm a Fake. And Jess has been wanting to do a concert kit for like 3 years, and now is the time, and it is so beautiful. I love these colors. I love the vibe because it's very like alternative, like punk kind of vibes, and I think that's super cute. I love her. I love her hair. I love everything about her. Beautiful. So you have like a double box here with like the concert, and then you have the 2 fashion options and another fashion option here, which just kind of looks like the singer, and then the hand with the tickets, and then another flat lay with just different like band type things like the guitar, the headphones, the microphone, CDs, wristbands, guitar picks, t-shirts. I love the shirts that Jess did. I had to put the other 2 in there. I'll show you then, but so singing cute, and I love these colors. So there is the faux black sparkle throughout, which I think is so fun. I think this would look so pretty with black foil. We have a black sparkly. We have the black with like the square like shift. I think that'd be really fun as well. Or you could do like a really fun bright color. You could do just silver if you wanted to, hollow, lavender hollow, hollow and lavender hollow mix, sparkly hollow. There's so many options. And I just think it's so fun. I love these colors. I loved these like My Chemical Romance. I thought that was so cute. I love the like Converse. Oh, this just takes me back to my childhood. Whenever I would just, that was basically my high school life, was just like, how many shows can I squeeze in? And where can I go? Oh, it's so good. And I am really hoping Bamboozle, which was like my, this is the freebie in both the mini and ultimate. Bamboozle is my, like, I didn't go to Warped Tour. I've been to Warped Tour, but I didn't like Warped Tour. I liked Bamboozle. It's kind of similar, but it was in Jersey, and they're planning on doing, well, they say that they're doing one next year, and I would love to go to Bamboozle and see like all of the bands that I loved in high school, because I still love them. So cute. This also does come in a mini kit. All of the kits this week come in mini and ultimate. And then let me show you the add-on options. So you have the doodles. How fun are these colors? Like, I am just obsessed with this yellow. I just think it's such a pretty, beautiful yellow. You have the functional, and then you have the label sampler 2, which is the black color. This would be honestly a good one just to pick up to have on hand for any black spreads. And then you have the regular label sampler, the ombre heart checklist, and then you have the FAMs. So this is just the normal 1 through 6. And I love this girl. She reminds me so much of Hannah. So stinking cute. And I love the Doc Martens. They're just adorable. Perfection. Beautiful. Love everything about it, and I'm saving that for a very, very, very special occasion. Next, we have Boardwalk, which is a really pretty pastel. This just reminds me of like beautiful sunsets and like sherbet or something like that. It's just so pretty. Let's go ahead and go through it. This is a gorgeous summer kit. I know Jess also said that she's going to be coming out with some summer art, and then I have some reformats of some things for summer, and then it's just so pretty. But for me personally, I'm taking summer as a lot to use a lot of anytime kits that I want to use. I just feel like summer is like, what, 3 months? So I have a lot of like pop culture and anytime kits that I want to use, and also a lot that I haven't even released yet that I'm so excited for y'all to see that are anytime. A lot of pop culture that I've had requested, and I'm just super pumped about it, but those will be coming in the next weeks. You have this scene here, which totally reminds me of like Stony Clover, if they had like surfboards. I don't know if they do or not, but it's so cute. Love these colors. Again, very like beautiful sunset vibes, the patterns, the bottom wash. I love this pattern, so cute. And then the freebie and the ultimate mini is another double box scene of like these shops, which I just think is adorable. So there are lots of options for boxes in here. This one I think would look super pretty with silver, gold, hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow. Honestly, I think lavender hollow would probably be my pick. I think it just would really bring out all the different colors, or lavender hollow mix. I think it'd be really beautiful as well. I feel like you could do rose. You could do a fun color of like a baby blue, a light purple, light pink, orange. It's one of those ones I think you could really use a lot of foils and it looks super cute. The mini kit here as well. And then let's go ahead and go through the add-on options. You have the doodles, the functional, the fashion add-on, the extra color label sample if you want to add it on, the regular label sample, and then the ombre heart checklist. And then last but not least, we also have 4th of July, which is a super cute, very classic colored 4th of July set. So cute. I love the donuts. Honestly, like, I think we all are like in agreement that we love food boxes. There's just something about a food box that you cannot go wrong. And I love this colorway because you have like the classic colors and then these really pretty muted, not pastel, but kind of just like a more toned down version of them. I think it really pulls it all together, and flat lay an outfit. And then I thought this would be so perfect with a 4th of July quote on it. I think this would be really pretty with silver or with the red and blue foil bundle that we came out with, the mixed metal, or doing mix of that. So like you could do that with your core foil that you bring in silver to kind of be the white. I think that that'd be really, really pretty. And I love this bottom washing moment. I didn't even know, like, do you put stars on top of this, like silver stars, and then do like the red and the blue like mix on top, or you could do all silver because I think this would look really pretty with just silver too, TBH. So that is the bottom washi page, and then this is the freebie in both the ultimate and the mini. So that is 4th of July. Like I said, it also does come in mini, and let me go ahead and go through the add-on options for this one as well. These colors are so pretty. So you have the doodles, the functional, you have the fashion, which how pretty are these? I love the firework. It's just so nice. The label sampler, and then the ombre heart checklist. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. Like I said before, these releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, so definitely check them out. Then I will have a plan with me up this week. I feel like I haven't had a plan with me up in a while for the first week of my Disney trip. And then I probably actually have a plan with me up after that too on Friday, I think, if I can get it all filmed in time. But I will try my best. But I hope that y'all like this week's releases, and I will talk to you in my next video.